Hello, I'm Dennis with doityourselfdennis.com, and I'm going to show you how to cut hardie backer board. A couple of tools you'll need a scorer. You can buy them at Lowe's or wherever you buy your hardie backer board. They should sell them. It's got a carbide tip on it. A straight edge or a drywall square works great. So what you want to do is make your mark. You're going to line it up. And we're cutting 1/4 inch, by the way. The 1/2 inch I say you can cut with a scoring, but it really doesn't work very well. You really need to cut it with a saw. But the 1/4 inch, it cuts a lot better. So you place your straight edge or your drywall square down, and you just make your score. And I usually score it 5 or 6 times. And then you break it towards you to the side that you scored. You just pull up on it and it breaks. Something you might want to keep in mind, because it kind of breaks off a little uneven, to allow you a little bit, 1/8 of an inch or so for that. You can drill a hole in it with a spade bit, a wood spade bit. You can drill a hole in it, and then I'll show you how to cut a bigger hole in here in just a minute. Alright, I wanted to show you something you need to kind of watch for when you're cutting a narrow piece. They're a little harder to break because you don't have no leverage. So you want to score it extra heavy. I usually score it a couple of more times. It just doesn't break very good. And if you want that on one piece, just a little hard to do. So you're going to lift up on it, and you can feel it when it breaks. Just feel when it starts to give. Just break a little bit at a time, then a little bit at a time. And that's how you break a smaller piece. You just gotta kind of take your time, and you'll just feel it start to give and work your way up. I wanted to show you how to cut a piece of this 1/4 inch if it's kind of got a delicate, like I'm cutting out for a vent here. I've just got this small piece. So what I'm using is I went ahead and drilled some holes. I made my mark, my layout, and then I drilled a couple of holes, just a regular drill bit, drilled through it, and then I'm going to cut it with a jigsaw. And it works pretty good. It's just a jigsaw with a regular wood blade on it. Cut our last little piece out. And voila. So that's all there is to that part. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to cut a circle. You might cut the circle a little big. You can just take and make your circle, and then you're going to take your scorer and just work your way around it kind of slowly. You're going to go around it a couple times. The 1/2 inch doesn't score near as well as the 1/4 inch. All right, so now you're going to take a hammer. That's good. I'm going to go ahead and go across the middle. I don't know if it's necessary or not, but we'll do it. Just kind of make an X. And we're going to bust it from the other side. So that's how you make a circle, and you can kind of clean it up with your score if you need to, but that's how you do that. Thanks for watching, and look at some other videos on doityourselfdennis.com.